Alright guys, so today's video is a little different. I'm at a pond that we usually fish, and I have some time to kill, so I thought I'd try to show you guys a little technique. So we've been using a lot of Cincos and brush hogs and even some flukes in our videos, and I just thought you guys would like to know like exactly what we do, because I remember like when I was a kid, I didn't really know how to properly like rig one of these, so I thought I'd just show you guys how to do that today. So what I like to do is just line it up. Oh, and you can also, there's different hooks, like this is a wide gap hook. It's just more wider. It's pretty much preference, whatever you prefer. This one's more straight instead of wide. This is what I started out with, but here lately I've liked these hooks a lot. So what you do is you just go to the top, stick it through the middle, and I like to go to the top where it bends, and then you poke it out, and then when you go around like that, you twist it, push it all the way up till it bends. And then when it gets to that top like that, then I like to measure it up where the hook is, and then you want to stick it through so it comes out like that, and then it lies right on the Cinco just like that. And then what I like to do is I tuck it in so it's a lot more weedless, and this way if you're throwing, in some brush, if you're throwing in some grass or something and you don't want to get this caught, this is a good bait to use, because it just glides through there and you won't get stuck on anything pretty much. And so let's take that off. And this is a good technique to use. I mean, when you're using a hook like this, you can just switch baits. Say the Cinco isn't working, you can pick up a brush hog, stick it through the top to the bend, pull it through, twist it all the way to the top, measure it up, stick it through so it's lying on the bait just like that, then you stick it through the top like that, and then there you go, a weedless bait. I mean, you can do this with anything. We like to use lizards too, so a lizard is another good bait, and a white fluke. Earlier this year my dad caught probably an 8 or 9 pounder on a fluke, so it's definitely a good bait to use. Stick it through the top, pull it out, twist it all the way through, line it up, stick it through, and then there you go, weedless. And I mean, you never have to cut your line, switch up baits. All you gotta do is just take it off, put something else on. It's just something quick and easy, and it does us a lot of good. We've been using Cincos a lot. For some reason, bass just love the Cincos, and usually we use a different hook, but if you guys have ever heard of a wacky rig, it's pretty much a smaller sized hook, not Texas rigged hook, and you just literally just stick it through the middle like that, and so it goes through the water like that. I know this video isn't on wacky rig, but I mean, that is another way to do it, quick and easy. Stick it through the middle and the bass just tear it up. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try to get on some fish here. I don't know if I'll make a video out of it, but I just had time to waste to make this video, so hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if this helped, because I know, again, as a kid, I didn't really know how to properly do this, so hopefully this can help some of you guys out there and help you guys get on more fish. So hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe down below and keep updated.